Well folks, welcome to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Today, quick and easy fix. All we're going to do is change the reversing light bulb for a quick and easy reversing light bulb and beeper. So stay tuned and we'll show you how. What we've got is we've ordered one of these off eBay. It's just a little clip your bulb out and clip this in its place and you should have a reversing bulb and beeper. There we go, simple, easy to fit instructions, and we're going to fit it on this Volkswagen T4 van, so let's carry on. Here we go folks, what we're going to do is replace this bulb here with this nice new reversing beeper one. As you can see, this is the reversing light bulbs just with the bulb, so we're going to remove this one and replace it. So let's begin. First of all, we remove the plastic housing that covers the lights, and then we've got some insulation behind it, but if you look inside you should be able to see the black housing for the lights. We've removed the light cluster and you can see the reversing light bulb on. So what we're going to do now is turn the reversing lights off, swap the bulb over and let you have a look then. As you can see folks, the bulb has now been replaced, so I'm just going to stick it in reverse and let's have a look at what we get. There we go folks, buzzer playing away there. Nice warning buzzer as well as a reversing light, so let's put it all back together and have another look. So you can see got reversing beeper as well as the reversing light. Nice bit of extra warning as we're backing up. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up on the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club.